सबको हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। दीपावली का पर्व कार्तिक मास की अमावस्या के दिन मनाया जाता है। ये 5 दिनों तक चलने वाला भारत का सबसे बड़ा पर्व है। दशहरे के बाद से ही इसकी तैयारियां शुरू हो जाती हैं। घरों और दुकानों की साफ सफाई की जाती है। जो ये काम बहुत दिनों तक चलता रहता है। लोग नए नए कपड़े बनवाते हैं और तरह तरह की मिठाइयाँ बनाई जाती हैं। धनतेरस से भाई दूज तक ये पर्व जो है चलता रहता है। इस दिन भगवान श्री राम, सीता और लक्ष्मण 14 वर्ष का वनवास पूर्ण कर अयोध्या लौटे थे। उनके लौटने की खुशी में अयोध्या वासियों ने घर घर को दीपक से सजाया था। इस पर्व का ध्यान आते ही मनुष्य का मन मयूर नाच उठता है। बच्चों की खुशी का तो कोई ठिकाना ही नहीं रहता। बच्चे बड़े सभी तरह तरह की फुलझड़ियाँ और पटाखे छोड़ते हैं। रंग बिरंगी रोशनी सबका मन मोह लेती है। कुछ लोग लेकिन इस दिन जुआ आदि खेलते हैं जो बुरी आदत है। हमें ऐसी आदत से बचना चाहिए क्योंकि दीपावली का पर्व खुशियों का पर्व है, तो हमें इसे खुशी के साथ मनाना चाहिए। एक बार फिर आप सबको हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
Students, so this year we are going to celebrate the Children's Day without any fun and frolic which we usually have in the school, and the atmosphere becomes so lovely and lively. So I want to wish you a very happy Children's Day. May the smile of the innocence of your smile and may the purity of your hearts stay forever. So we love you all and I wish you a very happy Children's Day.
Hello students, there is something that we cannot buy. One of such things is childhood, and we will realize only when we grow.
Dear children, I know being a student is not an easy, but trust me, this is the most beautiful phase of one's life. So you all must enjoy it enough.
मुन्ने बच्चे तेरे मुट्ठी में क्या है, नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे तेरे मुट्ठी में क्या है, मुट्ठी में है तकदीर हमारी, मुट्ठी में है तकदीर हमारी. So children, it's your day, so enjoy it to the fullest.
Hello children, there are no words to describe that how special you are to us. Come on, let's enjoy this day with fun and laughter.
আজি আবেলি মৰম দিলেহি তুলি, কোনে আজি আবেলি মৰম দিলেহি তুলি. এই বেলুনে ৰঙা বেলুনে, এই বেলুনে ৰঙা বেলুনে. সকলোকে মোৰ ফালৰ পৰা শিশু দিৱসৰ আন্তৰিক শুভেচ্ছা জনাওঁ.
चाचा नेहरू का बच्चों से है बहुत पुराना नाता, चाचा नेहरू का बच्चों से है बहुत पुराना नाता, चाचा नेहरू का जन्म दिवस है बाल दिवस कहलाता. Hello children, I hope you all are good and safe. On this day, I just want to wish you all a very happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
Good morning students. Today is 14th November. So happy Children's Day to all of you. By sitting home this year, you enjoy by yourselves. Okay? Thank you.
Good morning students. On this auspicious occasion of Children's Day, I would like to wish all of you a very happy Children's Day. So, on this occasion, I would like to sing a song for you. Hope you will like it. इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाब की तिनको से चल बनाए आशिया, दबे दबे पाँव से आए हौले हौले जिंदगी, थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा अपना ये आशिया. इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाब के तिनको से चल बनाए आशिया.
Hello students, in this auspicious occasion I would like to wish you all happy Children's Day, and for this I want to sing few lines of a song I hope you all will like it. बच्चे तो भगवान की मूरत होते हैं, बच्चे तो अल्लाह की सूरत होते हैं, बच्चे तो भगवान की मूरत होती है, बच्चे तो अल्लाह की सूरत होते हैं। अपनी सूरत दिखलाने ईश्वर के मन में आया, तब उसने फूलों जैसे बच्चों को बनाया। ये तो अल्लाह की मूरत होती है, बच्चे तो भगवान की सूरत होते हैं। थैंक यू।
Children's Day to you all. Students, you should always remember 4 things in your life. First, hope, because even if you have strength and intellect, but if you lack hope, then you will be getting no result for that. Second, courage. Courage and hope go hand in hand. Courage is what gives children the confidence to move forward. Third, perseverance. Children, you should develop or cultivate the habit of perseverance, because every time you will not get the immediate result, so you should never give up. And fourth is to advance. Children should cultivate, or children should have the spirit to advance even a little, even a single day, because if you regress in a single day, that will become the cause of your defeat. So children, hopefully you will follow all the 4 keys, all the 4 things in your life. Wishing you all a happy Children's Day once again.
কন কন ময়না আমি খেলো আমি মিলি জুলি, নাই ভাগৰ নাই আমনি নাই আমাৰ জিৰণি। মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, আজি তোমালোকৰ অনুপস্থিতি সঁচাকৈ অনুভৱ কৰিছোঁ, আৰু তোমালোকৰ সুস্বাস্থ্যৰ কামনা কৰি তোমালোক আটাইলৈ শিশু দিৱসৰ হিয়া ভৰা শুভেচ্ছা যাচিলোঁ।
Good morning, children. Today is Children's Day, the day dedicated to you. I believe that children are the most precious resources of this world, and I really feel happy when I see the shining faces of yours, where I can see the brighter future of tomorrow. Wishing you all a very, very happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Time for some splashing fun, cheer and jolly for everyone, because it's Children's Day. So I wish to all my dear students a very happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day to all my dear students. This year we are celebrating Children's Day virtually for the first time. You are not here to celebrate with us. We miss you very much, but our blessings and concern and love for you will always remain. And always keep the innocence and purity of your heart intact. Dear students, keep growing, and happy Children's Day once again.
Hello dear students, today is your day, so wishing you a very happy Children's Day. Okay, so this time you are at home and we are in the school only. I am making the video. So for the first time we are celebrating this type of Children's Day, but our wishes, our love, our concern will always there for you, whether you are at home or in the school. Hope you will enjoy your day to the fullest. Lots and lots of love for you. Okay, so thank you.
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love, and this place could be much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, there's no need to cry. In this place you will feel there's no hurt or sorrow. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. I see people dying. If you care enough for the living, make it a better place for you and for me. Dear students, keep shining like the brightest stars and help in making this beautiful world even more beautiful. Happy Children's Day.
We love you, children, from all our heart. We bless you, children, for all our heart. You are the the shining stars and gift of God. You are the children, best of the rest. You are the birds and you are the flowers. You are the shining stars who shines in the sky. Thank you, my dear lovely kids. Wishing you a very, very happy Children's Day.
Children, so on this special day, I would like to wish you a very happy Children's Day. Dear children, so on this auspicious day, I would like to say a few lines for you. Every child is a different flower, and all children together make this world a beautiful garden. So once again, I would like to wish a happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day to all my dear students. Nothing will make us happier than watching you grow up, even a better human being than we are. So all our sacrifices and hard works are for making this world a beautiful place for you. We may be your teachers, but we also have a lot more things to learn from you all. You all are so special to us. So all the good wishes to you on this day and also Happy Diwali.
प्रभात, आप सभी को शिशु दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। आप सभी बच्चे शिशु निकेतन रूपी बगिया के तरह तरह की रंग बिरंगे फूल हैं। आप अपनी खुशबू से हमेशा इस बगिया को, इस शिशु निकेतन रूपी बगिया को महकाते रहें। यही मेरी आप लोगों से मैं आशा रखती हूँ और यही मेरी आप सभी को मेरी तरफ से शुभकामनाएं हैं। और आप सभी को दिवाली की भी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Today, on this special occasion of Children's Day, I'm here to say a few lines. So, children are the special image of God. So, on this auspicious occasion of Children's Day, let us celebrate the spirit of childhood. Many of you are coming to school and many of you are unable also. So, we hope to see all our children together like we always did on the previous Children's Day. So, on this note, wishing everybody a very happy Children's Day.
सुप्रभात बच्चों, आप सभी को बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। दुनिया का सबसे सच्चा समय, दुनिया का सबसे अच्छा दिन, दुनिया का सबसे हसीन पल सिर्फ बचपन में ही मिलता है। इसलिए आप सभी को बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
Students, today is a special day for you. As you know that we all celebrate 14 November as a Children's Day. So, in this special day, I wish all the children from my heart a very happy Children's Day. You all are special in a special way, and you are the reason for all our smiles. You are the future of our country. So, on this day, I wish joy and success in whatever you do. I wish all of you will become a good person. So, stay safe, stay happy.
You are the future of our country and you keep smiling as well as spread your valuable ideas to all the world. Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day to my all dear students. Today is your day. You all are very special to us, but due to this pandemic situation, we can't celebrate together, but we are celebrating through this virtual platform. And always remember one thing, believe in yourself and always follow your dreams. Once again, very happy Children's Day, and I wishing you a very happy and a safe Diwali. Thank you.
A very happy Children's Day to all my dear students. Enjoy your day.
মোৰ অতিকৈ মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, তোমালোকৰ আগন্তুক দিনবোৰ যেন আৰু বেছিকৈ সোণালী আৰু ৰঙীন হৈ পৰক, তাৰে কামনাৰে আজি মই শিশু দিৱসত তোমালোক আটাইলৈ শুভেচ্ছা জ্ঞাপন কৰিম।
Good morning, children. Do you know which day today? Yes, today is 14th of November. We celebrate Children's Day on 14th of November. So all of you, wish you a very, very happy Children's Day. Thank you.